Hi, I'm Brad Wilson with King Manufacturing, here to show you how to install the alCove heater, or alCove or KCV series heaters. First thing you want to do is take it out of the box, take the cover off, and the back piece is very light, and this knockout is what I want out to bring the wire in here. So I'm just going to twist this and easily just knock the knockout out, just like that. Now we have a hole that allows us to gain access into the junction box. So I've knocked the knockout out and put a strain relief in the back of the heater to hold the wire. Now I'm going to feed the wire through. And go over to the other side and make sure it's level. So now that I know that the Cove heater is level, I can put a screw in this side, and the wire holds it on the other side through one of the pre-punched holes that's already in the back as we go right into a stud. You see, this one also lines up too. We can mount the other side through the pre-punched holes. And they're spaced every 4 inches. And then here we can catch the stud in the center here too. So then we go and we can hang the cover in its location and simply connect up the Cove heater. The knockouts are on the left and the right hand side, so you could come in with your power on either side. Here we're hooking up the 2 hot leads and the ground on this side on this installation. Then we have a crossover wire. The crossover wire goes across and hooks up the other side of the element. It's a matter of wire nutting. And we do have a holder for the cover while you're doing this, and that can hang just like that as you do all your wiring. Once your wiring's finished, then you can push the wires in, push them in deep enough so that it doesn't touch the hot Cove heater on either side. Then just lift it up, drop it on, and push your wires inside. At this time you can add the junction box cover, making sure none of the wires stick out, and that clips on, and with a number 2 square drive or Phillips, push it all the way back and screw the junction box cover on. There's 2 screws. It retains the cover as we tighten down the screws. It holds on the cover and you're finished. Very easy installation. Thanks for watching Brad Wilson and our Cove heater installation. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd appreciate it. Or click like. Thanks.